Foundations are now all complete and the block work is well underway. We have been flat out busy as always. On the investment side of the business, Dave has reworked the investor pack for our commercial to residential conversion project in Gainsborough, following feedback from various potential investors that we've already shown the pack. If you want to see that, drop us a DM and I'll happily send that through to you. Solicitors, they've decided to go on holiday. Funds have now been transferred from our latest investor. Dave is already deploying them and putting them to work. Dave and Chelsea out this evening to meet up with one of our other investors. They're going to be attending a local art exhibition. We hope they have a cracking evening together. On the development side of the business, windows are now in at Thames Ditton. Joinery is finally finished, which only leaves cappings and soffits to do early next week. In Cobham, foundations are now all complete and the block work is well underway. Yeah, they've even started block and beam actually. Sent out and had feedback from various bricklaying firms. They're going to take us up to wall plate, so we're making a decision on that early next week. On our own project in Esher, I've met various subcontractors on site and talked about the actual logistics of how the hell we're actually going to get on and build this thing. Really looking forward to getting started with that. I'm in conversation with Prestige Air and the structural engineer about what on earth we're going to do with the ground mitigation and the foundations. Watch out for a video about that next week, what the actual solutions are going to be. Islington, deconstruction is now complete and we have a solution from the structural engineer about the roof structure and how we need to reinforce the roof structure so we can reconfigure the attic space in the way that the client would like it. Kitchen designers were there this morning, sort of taking final measurements and templates. There's around about a 10-week lead time with this particular company, so they need to be in nice and early to take those measurements. The basement floor, various challenges around that. As the building's been extended and worked on, there's various different levels. Now we've taken up the tiles, we have to come up with a solution and figure out what on earth we're going to do with that. Got a couple of different ideas, and again, need to go back to the structural engineer again, make sure that he's going to be happy with those solutions. Hope you have a cracking weekend. I've got a bit of a cold. Hopefully it's not going to develop into much, and I'll see you all next week, guys.